បាទជំរាបសួរសុខសប្បាយទាំងអស់គ្នាខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសុខសប្បាយថ្ងៃនេះយើងនឹងមករៀនកិរិយាសព្ទមួយទៀត common verbs that you use a lot in Khmer like in English you say to want ភាសាខ្មែរថាចង់បាទចង់បានចង់ឲ្យអូខេអញ្ចឹង there are three ways of using to want in Khmer ខ្ញុំចង់ទៅផ្សារខ្ញុំចង់ទៅផ្សារចង់ទៅ so want plus verb ចង់ទៅ that ចង់ទៅ we say want plus verb that's the first use of to want in Khmer the second use ចង់បាន we say ចង់បាន plus noun ចង់បាន plus noun for example like you want to belong something like I want a phone I want a house see so in Khmer we say ចង់បានចង់បានបាទចង់បានចង់បាន for example she wants a telephone គាត់ចង់បានទូរស័ព្ទគាត់ចង់បានទូរស័ព្ទ he wants a house គាត់ចង់បានផ្ទះគាត់ចង់បានផ្ទះ okay the last use of want so this is the second one now the last one ចង់ឲ្យ like you want somebody to do something for you or you do something for someone ចង់ឲ្យ like I want you to learn Khmer ខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យអ្នករៀនខ្មែរខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យអ្នកទៅចង់ឲ្យ that's the key for want somebody to do something for you or you do something for someone okay ចង់ឲ្យខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យគាត់រៀនខ្មែរ okay I hope this short video is helping you learning Khmer okay so again there are three use of to wants in Khmer the first one is ចង់ plus verb like ចង់ទៅចង់ញ៉ាំ want to eat ចង់ញ៉ាំ and then ចង់បាន want plus noun for example like I want a telephone ខ្ញុំចង់បានទូរស័ព្ទ okay that's second one the last one is ចង់ឲ្យ it means you want somebody to do something I want him to go home ខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យគាត់ទៅផ្ទះខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យគាត់ទៅផ្ទះ okay guys thank you very much I hope you know this videos is essential for you to learn the Cambodian language as I always mention you know if you have any questions if you have any opinions comment please shoot me or comment on my videos and then I will try my best to shoot video that is useful for you guys thank you so much and have a good one